graders. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be practicing how to skip count by tens and ones using pennies and dimes. Something that's really important for you to think about is how much is a dime worth? What is its value? The other thing we really want to think about is how much is a penny worth? What is its value? So yesterday we practiced being able to skip count by tens and being able to skip count by ones. But for today, we are going to be practicing how to skip count by tens and ones together. So remember, our learning target is, can I skip count using pennies and dimes? So today, you're going to be successful if you can. 1, identify a penny, a dime, and their values. 2, skip count by ones. 3, skip count by tens. And remember, yesterday we learned about 2 strategies. You can use the number line to solve or the hundreds chart to solve and show your work. So let's get started. Something that might be helpful for you, friends, is if you can find a bag of coins. One of the reasons why that might be helpful is because you can see the coin when you're skip counting, and that might help you. But I'm going to show you a way that you can skip count using pennies and dimes without coins in front of you. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put out the coins that I need. So I'm going to look for 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to solve for pennies. The reason why I'm going to show you with these coins is so you can see what it looks like if I have the coins in front of me. So I'm going to line them up. One really important thing, friends, is when you are skip counting using different types of coins, it's very important that you know you can move them around. Pennies have the least value, so it's best and most effective and efficient if you count the pennies last. That's why I have the dimes first. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Because I have my coins lined up, there's 2 things I can do. I can choose to skip count if I feel confident and comfortable in just skip counting. Or I could label the value of each one of the coins. So a dime is worth 10 cents. So I'm just going to label the value right above it. This is also worth 10 cents because it is a dime, and so on. I know a penny is worth 1 cent, so I'm going to label 1 cent for the value. Now, what I need to do is now I need to skip count. Remember, there's 2 ways I can skip count. I can show my thinking using a number line, or I could use a hundreds chart. So, if I want to use a number line, I can start with 0, and I have 5 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means I need 5 jumps, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I might have made my jumps too small, but I can move them around if I need to. So I can skip count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, because I know each one of these jumps is plus 10 because it's plus a dime. Then I need to add on the value of my 4 pennies. So I need to think, I need 4 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So because my jumps all look the same, we need to really make sure that we label each one of our jumps. So I'm now adding a penny, and a penny's value is 1 cent. So I need to think, what's 50 plus 1? And I know that's 51. Then I have plus 1 more, which is 52. Then I need to keep going and add on plus 1. So I know the total value is 54 cents. But I'm going to show that on my coins so I can practice different ways to count coins and skip count. So I know this is 10 cents. Don't forget, we always want to write the cent sign. 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. And remember, friends, we are skip counting by tens and ones because we have dimes and pennies. So now I know 50 cents plus a penny is 51 cents. Then I have one more penny, 52 cents, and another penny, 53 cents, and one more, which is 54 cents. So the total value of 5 dimes and 4 pennies is 54 cents. Now, what could we do if we wanted to use a 100 chart? So I'm going to show you. I have my 120s chart right here. So I'm just going to kind of switch them around. If you have dimes, it might be easier, or you can use a pencil to help you keep track. So if I have my coins in front of me, I can put them on the 100 chart, and I can show. On your exit ticket, you're going to see you could circle each one of the coins as well. So I have my dime. I know 1 dime is worth 10 cents. 2 dimes is 20 cents. 3 dimes is 30 cents. 4 dimes is 40 cents. And 5 dimes is 50 cents. And I know that's true because a dime is worth 10 cents. Then I need to think about a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. So I can do 51 cents, 52 cents, 53 cents, and 54 cents. Notice how I skip counted using my hundreds chart. If I don't have my coins, I can think in my head I have 5 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and I have 5 pennies. Oh, excuse me, I have 4 pennies, so I need to go to the next row and count 4 pennies. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, and I have 54 cents. Now you're probably wondering, but Miss Shi, you said if I don't have coins, there's another way you can do it. I'm going to show you that right now. If you don't have coins, you can draw a circle and label the inside of your coin. 10 is because a dime is worth 10 cents. So I could have 5 circles with 10 in the middle, and that would show I have 10 cents, which is a dime, and I have 5 of them. And then I could have 1 cent. And I have 4 pennies, so I know I need 4 of these 1 centers. Notice I'm still keeping them organized in a line. This is going to help you with your skip counting. This is going to help you with keeping track of which coins you've already skip counted. So again, I can do 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents for my dimes, and I can count by ones, 51 cents, 52 cents, 53 cents, and 54 cents. That, friends, is a way that we can skip count using dimes and pennies. So now I want you to think, where in your levels of understanding are you learning? A 4 means that you could teach somebody how to do this using strategies and explaining your thinking. A 3 means you could do this on your own and explain your thinking, how you solved, by showing your work. A 2 means you're still a little bit confused, but you could do it problem like this with a little bit of help or an example. And a 1 means you might need another teach, or you might need some help from teacher and friends to understand more of these problems. See you next time.